We're resurrecting this 2003 Nissan Sentra for as cheap as possible. We've got corrosion damage on 8 panels. So we're starting with these rockers, cutting off the old rockers. We found some replacement panels. 2 panels was $134. Cut off all the old rust, which included the lip edge in which we would weld the outer rocker skin to. So using materials I had, 1-inch square tubing, cleaned up the lip edge and welded that to the floor, which meant I had to peel back all the carpet and remove the passenger side front seat on this side. With all the welds in place, we can clean those up and start moving on to other corrosion damaged areas. Working this rear quarter, found a few through holes, but just continued on after cleaning it up and using rust converter. Filling these sections, smoothing everything out so that we can refinish it. With our areas fiberglassed and glazed up with polyester glazing putty, we are ready to prime. Ta-da! Primer! Now we are ready to finally move on from this rocker work and work some easier panels, which are the doors. I had to estimate a few hours each. I was trying to avoid removing the door panels. However, this door, in order to take the door handle out, we still had to remove the entire interior door panel. After removing the handle, we found there was corrosion damage there. We had to fix that and repair the handle itself. With the handle removed though, we can continue our repair without damaging the handle and without it in our way for refinishing purposes. That spot cleaned up. Move on to the door. This too had a through hole once I got at it with the wire wheel, but filled it up with fiberglass filler. With the passenger side finally complete, we are ready to move on to the driver's side. Very similar repairs, rocker, rear quarter, and 1 spot per door. The rot on this rear rocker was pretty substantial, but really when you're replacing the whole thing, it's kind of all the same. This door, same thing, you could see a few pinholes through, and we just got in there with the fiberglass, made sure our metal was cleaned up and converted and coated. Same thing on this side, I had to peel back the carpet and remove the front driver's side seat so that I didn't start any interior on fire. And their driver's side rocker welded on, quarter patched. Time to move on. My favorite part of these projects, finishing one section and carrying on to another. Whole bottom edge got seam sealer, undercoat. 1 can of 1K primer did this entire car, all these repairs. Paintable undercoat for the rockers and underside of the car. And 2 cans of custom mixed paint. I was quite happy with how the paint and driveway worked out. Gave the car an interior clean and detail. Washed all the interior panels inside and out before replacing them. We have to repair corrosion damage to the muffler and replace this windshield. And then we should be ready for a Manitoba safety inspection. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Check out the playlist for more information and more content on this Sentra build. And check out more of the channel, Barebones Garage, Restorations and Repairs.